New at 6 tonight. Taking care of your children now that they're learning from home can feel like a lot. Imagine what child care centers are going through. Some having to take on extra kids and others trying to figure out if it's best not to do that for everyone's safety. 4 News Now reporter Elenee tells us more about the struggles some child care centers are facing.
Guys, I'm making dinner for them.
A room full of kids can be endearing, but it can also be a handful.
It's been a hard struggle. We have been for about a week now debating, running all the scenarios through our head.
Scenarios of what to do here at Into the Forest Childcare and Preschool as the spread of the coronavirus gets worse.
That's our biggest concern is the families that we have here, their safety, my staff's safety. I mean, it's a hard balance trying to decide if we're going to take on more kiddos for first responders or if we're just going to completely, close the doors due to lack of income.
Megan Benedict has seen families stop bringing their children, but also has received more calls to see if they can take in more kids. But it's not as easy as just taking them in for the safety of staff and other kids. Childcare workers are putting themselves at risk too because, well, kids are kids. And it can be tough for them to understand boundaries.
They don't know what social distancing is. They don't know what your bubble is.
During these times, they need comfort too.
You're trying to help them through because everything right now is crazy for them. They don't understand what's going on.
To keep this place going, it also needs to be cleaned often. Those of you with kids know that's not easy. It's even more difficult when they're running low on cleaning supplies.
We started trying to find cleaning supplies and know where they're at and gather some. At that point, it was already almost too late because of the craziness of everybody trying to hoard everything.
One way you can help out child care centers is by donating some cleaning supplies. Or in the case of this child care center, the Vanessa Behan Crisis Nursery, they're in need of volunteers and other donations too.
Here at Vanessa Behan Crisis Nursery, they're in need of formula and diapers to pass on to families which need them. They've increased their number of openings, now taking up to 40 kids.
We actually have seen a huge increase in new families that we haven't seen before because our regular resources just aren't there.
They'll take kids in with short notice if needed.
So if they're a family that maybe has to work and their child care has fallen apart, they can call us in advance and we can make an appointment for them. Or if they just find themselves overwhelmed and stressed out in the moment, we just want them to call us.
To find out how you can help these child care centers, visit our website at kxly.com. In Spokane, I'm Elenee 4 News Now.